Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Robinhood AI token. Now yesterday I posted a video on the new Robinhood token. Now that token is not from Robinhood, so just, disclaimer, I made that disclaimer in that video as well, but just be aware that the idea of that meme coin, the initial one that came out yesterday or the day before, that one is basically supposed to, flip Robinhood's market cap. So that was the initial idea. Robinhood, basically, the idea of Robinhood, the app, is supposed to be like giving power to the little guy, and then we all know what happened with the GameStop token fiasco there. Not the GameStop token, the GameStop stock. We all know what happened with that fiasco, and if you don't know, you can watch a whole Netflix documentary about that. But, because of that, then we have Robinhood meme coins coming out saying like, let's support the little guy and flip, Robinhood's market cap. And so that token, was doing very well with almost $100 million market cap when I saw it. I don't know how it's doing today, but today this token just came out. This one came out 16 hours ago, 16 hours, 21 minutes ago. The pair for Robinhood AI was created on Raydium. This is a Solana meme coin. You can find it trending number 19 right now in the Solana section on DEX Screener. Ticker symbol is Hoodai. And they have a $1 million market cap right now, and they're up 3,000%. So this token is doing pretty good for a brand new project. We're going to go over the Robinhood AI token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt, and always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So their webpage is hoodsoul.club. And over there you can find roadmap, features, information. It says total supply. We have, that is a lot of tokens here. So that's 1 million, billion, trillion, 42 quadrillion, 69 trillion tokens. Ticker symbol Hood AI. It says Robinhood AI, fair, fast, and decentralized. Let artificial intelligence level the playing field. And on their page here, it says 0% tax. They have the contract address on the web page. They have a button that says Chat AI, and that will take you to a Telegram bot, which is like an AI agent, I assume, that you'll be able to interact with. And so that is why the project is called Robinhood AI, because they have this artificial intelligence Twitter bot here. And they also, Telegram bot, and they also have a different Telegram as well. You could follow at Hood Soul Hood, and that one has 5,453 members, 635 of them are online. So that's going to be a great place to join the discussion with other community members, ask questions, talk to the holders about what they think about the project. And then the other Telegram is the AI bot. And then also they have a buy now button on their page that'll take you to Raydium. They have a link to the Soul Scan. They have a link to their other Soul Scan where it shows the transaction where LP was burnt. And we can also see that on DEX Screener in a second. They have a whole bunch of links to Aave.ai, Birdeye, Jupiter, Raydium, DEX Tools, DEX Screener, Coin Market Cap. They got all sorts of memes on their page here. And it says their philosophy. So Robinhood AI aims to accelerate scientific and technological progress by harnessing the power of decentralized communities. Just as the Robinhood AI sparks reactions, we fuel innovation and discovery, empowering individuals to drive change and shape the future. Our fair launch ensures equal opportunity for all participants. No pre-minting or private sales. Robinhood AI is for the community, built on transparency and trust from day one. The store of value, Robinhood AI is more than just a token. It's a secure store of value. As the project grows, it becomes a long-term asset for those who believe in the power of decentralization, science, and innovation. Their roadmap here starts with the Genesis launch. It says launch the Hood AI token on the Solana blockchain with a focus on community engagement and airdrops. Then multi-chain expansion, expand Robinhood AI to multiple blockchains and strengthen DeFi partnerships for broader reach. Central exchange listings, list Robinhood AI on major central exchanges to enhance liquidity and global visibility. And scientific partnerships, collaborate with research institutions to expand the ecosystem and drive real-world applications to Robinhood AI. So if you wanted to get this token here, you can find the contract address real easy at hoodsol.club, which is the web page. Or you can find it real easy right here on their Twitter, which is at HoodSolHood on Twitter. And this is an automated AI agent right there on the Twitter. You can see it says automated by at hoodhood_moon. So basically, if you wanted to get this token, all you'd have to do, first of all, you would need a wallet that could store Solana tokens. So you could use a Solflare wallet, Phantom wallet, Trust wallet, or a MetaMask wallet. And you could download any one of those wallets from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, and get a Chrome extension on your PC. You would then fund that wallet with Sol. Now, you can fund your wallet with Sol from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links that you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with Sol, you'd go into the dApps, you would find Raydium, and then using the contract address that you could find on their Twitter right here or on their webpage, you would trade your Sol for this token. It's real straightforward. They have 2,836 Twitter followers, 33 tweets so far. So check out the Twitter. And it says the goal of Robinhood AI agent is to give everyone, regardless of their livelihood, a shot at financial independence. It's about more than trading. It's about fostering a community of individuals who challenge the status quo by leveraging AI-driven tools and DeFi mechanisms. This project offers a new way to navigate the market, optimize trades, and make smarter financial decisions. Together, Robinhood AI is creating a decentralized ecosystem where financial freedom is available to all and where the collective action is key in reshaping the financial landscape. Now, according to their SolScan, 2,506 holders so far. Market cap is $1.29 million, 2 decimal places on this token. They have $83,000 worth of liquidity in Raydium, and 100% of that liquidity is locked and burned. Almost 8,000 transactions today and almost $700,000 in 24-hour trade volume. They have been doing some marketing today on Dex Screener, and it's working because they're trending number 18 right now. So go check out this project. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.